want to learn how to use My AI on Snapchat, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. Now open your Snapchat and then press the chat icon at the bottom panel on your screen. Here you'll see My AI, so just press that to start your conversation with My AI. Now, My AI is a chatbot that's currently available to all users of Snapchat. You can ask AI different questions, may it be a trivia question or just random ones. Now, if you cannot see My AI on your Snapchat, what you'll have to do is simply to go to your app store and check if your Snapchat is fully updated. As you can see here, I just opened App Store and on the search tab, just search Snapchat. Once you searched for Snapchat, just check if there are any updates available. So you'll see here that on my phone, Snapchat is not yet fully updated. So just press the update button, wait for it to load, and then reopen your account and check if My AI is already available. And that's basically it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.